Good morning, my little raindrops. Welcome back to another video. I'm Julia Rainey. If you guys didn't know, you guys should definitely subscribe, become a part of the Rain fam. And I just want to say, guys, we're looking rough. So I'm doing a vlog today. This is going to be a lazy day vlog, kind of like a sick day vlog, because my allergies are so bad. Like, my eyes are puffy, like you can hear it. It's just horrible. Like, and I just woke up, by the way. That's why I look all like crazy. But what I do want to say is that I'm just gonna get into this vlog straight in. It's not gonna be anything like super crazy or like fun or like, you know, insane like my other vlogs. I usually have stuff to do, but today's just kind of like a lazy day vlog because I also realized that we're human. Not every day we're doing something, so you know, there's also vlogs maybe people want to see that are just like an average day, you know. So today I'm just doing like average stuff, you know. Got this water bottle. I actually don't remember where it's from, but I got this water bottle and it's like a huge water bottle. Like, I think this is a gallon if I'm not mistaken, or a pint. I'm not sure, but I want to drink so much water and I've been doing it, but the only thing is I have to pee like so frequently, just saying. But this is literally like a huge water bottle. It's bigger than my face, so it's definitely a lot of water. So that's like the first thing I do in the morning is I'll wake up and I'll drink water, and I still have like a little bit left, so I'm gonna drink all of that. And I don't know what else is going on for today, but honestly, another thing I want to talk about is my skin, guys. I finally am going to make the appointment to get my microderm abrasion, because I really want it, because I'm getting a little tired of it, because right here, this is not acne, guys. Like, you guys see little red spots and they're not uplifted acne at all. Like, literally, it's not active acne. It's all smooth on my face, but it's literally just like the scarring left over, and it looks like it's acne and it's not. So I definitely want to like get rid of that, because obviously I don't want that on my face. So I'll get into that like a little bit more. It's definitely going to be towards the end of the summer though, just because I don't know, just with that you have to be very careful because your skin can be very light sensitive. So I don't really want to have to like worry about that in the summer. And I don't know, I know it's only like a week, but I just started a new job as well, guys. So, you know, summer we thrive, so I can't really like be out of work for a whole week. And yeah, I just can't do it. I'm gonna be doing a video all about my new job, how to get a job there, all that type of stuff, because I know my last one, that was the how to get a job at Charlotte Russe, you guys really loved that video, and a lot of you guys actually commented and said that like it really helped you and all this other stuff. So I obviously want to help anyone out that is looking to get a job at this location. So I'm thinking I want to film that today, but I could be wrong because I really just don't want to put makeup on. I know I look like a naked mole rat, I know, but my allergies are just so bad today, and like I could feel it in my face. Like, I feel congested and it's just horrible. So I think I'm just gonna take care of household stuff today. And another thing is my self tan is looking wonky. It's coming off obviously, so I might do that today, but I'm not 100% sure. And then the only other thing that I know that I'm going to do today is just some household stuff. I'll show you guys my skincare routine. And then I'm also going grocery shopping like a lot later. So because we have like nothing in my house. Oh my god, my baby hairs. We have like nothing in the house to eat really. So I want to go get some like strawberries, bananas, all that stuff that we need, because I can't even make a smoothie. Like, guys, my dog is my entire existence. Look at her. She's like, no, like, this is Monday. What are you doing? She's literally the cutest thing ever. Rain fam, can you have a kiss? She's like, no, mom, I don't want to. Guys, we got her this collar, and it's literally a cat collar. You guys can't see, but it's sparkly pink, and it's so cute. And I'm like, you know what? Whatever. It's a cat collar. Whatever. And now she's scratching. Hello, babies. So I cleaned my room. Fancy. I'm just kidding, guys, but I cleaned my room just because I just needed it to be clean. It's never like super dirty, but I just did like a deep clean of it. And yeah, guys, so this is what it looks like. And then of course, you know, I have my bathroom over there, which I also cleaned, but I need to kind of clean it a little bit more. And then yeah, and then of course I vacuumed and everything. And yeah, I don't know that I've showed you guys like an actual like whole overview of my room done. These are my 2 walk-ins. So this is why I took this room actually, because it has 2 walk-in closets and then it intertwines into the bathroom. So I kind of cleaned the bathroom, guys, but I need to do a little bit more because it needs to be like really scrubbed down. And I'm gonna clean my shower, that's why that's kind of open. So yeah, guys, and that setup I'm not a fan of. So I think I'm gonna change it just because I don't know, I don't really love that right there, but we'll see. And yeah, guys, so everything else is clean. And then obviously we go out here. This is my sister's room. I'm not gonna show you guys too much because her room's kind of messy. But this is my sister's room and she's a bigger bed than me. But yeah, I just vacuumed her floors and then I vacuumed these floors. And then obviously this is my living room, which our living room is not, guys, laughing because there's a Domino's box over there because my mom and I last night we had lava cake from Domino's because they have the best lava cake. So it's kind of just sitting there because I'm waiting to take the trash out. And then this is our island. We don't have stools yet for it. We had ones in my other apartment, but we literally hated them. So we got rid of them and then we're waiting to get stools here. My mom's like, oh, maybe we won't. But I'm like, you know what? At least get like 2 or 3 just to put here. I feel like it would really add something. And then she just has Mother's Day flowers. And then obviously just our kitchen. And then that's our like foyer area over there that you walk through. And then this is our TV, which, guys, the setup is not staying like that. We're actually waiting to get a fireplace. But for some reason right now, I guess because it's summer, nobody wants to sell fireplaces. So that's that. That's my little bean right there. I love her. And then this is just the big windows. That's our deck out there. And then this is our sitting area. We have like L-shaped couches. Well, we made them. And then we have flowers over there. And then we have that over there. And then that's the overview. And then over here is my mom's room. We're not gonna go in there, but yeah, guys, so, and I literally love our balcony. It's kind of messy right now because it just stormed last night, like super bad. So we have our cushions for the chairs out like inside and they're not outside. So it's a little bit dirty, but we just have like, here, I'll show you guys. We have a table and chairs right there. Here, I'll let her out. A table and chairs right there with flowers on it, and then we're planting something there. We have a grill, and then we usually have our, you know, our sitting area there. It goes all the way around, and it usually has couch cushions, but it just stormed, so obviously we don't have that out there. I just see the cutest thing ever. Hopefully she doesn't move. I'm gonna do this. Baby, what are you doing? What are you doing? Look at her. All right, guys, so it's a little bit later. It's kind of like the afternoonish, and I needed like a little bit of a snack. I know I didn't show you guys my breakfast, because I usually don't eat breakfast. I know, guys, don't hate or kill me, but I usually drink smoothies, but today we didn't have much left, so I had some strawberries and raspberries, and now it's like lunchtime, and I'm eating a little bit of a snack, and it's kind of demolished, I know. So I did fat-free and sugar-free Jell-O, and I did the orange and strawberry kind, and then I did vegan whipped cream, and then I put strawberries and raspberries in there, and that was like my little snack. So I just want to tell you guys what I was having. And I also did go to the gym, which I didn't vlog. I'm super sorry. I know, guys, I suck, but I did go to the gym. I only worked out for like 30 minutes. I walked on the treadmill. Well, I walked / jogged because I did like the intermediate kind, where you jog and then you run and then you jog. So I did that for, it was like 35 minutes. And then I did some other workouts at home. And once I'm done eating this, I'm going to go shower and then I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I look really rough because I was tanning a little bit, but I just showered, so my hair is wet. But I'm actually headed to go to the grocery store, so let's go. OOTD is just a white shirt, some leggings, some fuzzy slides, and a Puma jacket. Alrighty guys, so I'm about to do my night routine skincare, so I'm sorry if I'm whispering, but it's very late at night. So the first thing that I'm going to do is use the Purity Philosophy face wash. This is what I use at nighttime because it's super light and it just cleans my face. So I'm using this. I usually use this at the nighttime. Ignore my disgusting nails, guys. I know they need to be done so bad. And then once I wash my face, I go in with this I think it's Mirth Beauty Antioxidant Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. This stuff is amazing. I highly recommend. And mine's almost out. I actually got this from Marshall's, so love this. And then I also, to like kind of moisturize my face, I use the Measurable Difference Vitamin E oil, which is absolutely amazing. Now, this kind of does clog my pores, but it literally helps fade any redness and all that. So I definitely just have to take the good with the bad. So I love this. I usually use it like every other night, but tonight I'm using this. And then under my eyes, I just started using this. It is the Meaningful Beauty Cindy Crawford Eye Enhancing Serum. I don't know if this works, but I just started using it, and I usually like to switch up my eye cream, so I use this. Alrighty guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My hair is literally just being a pain because my hair is still wet from showering, and I'm really sorry I look a mess, guys. It's because I obviously am not wearing any makeup and I'm going to sleep, and I have very oily skin right now because of that vitamin E oil, and I'm whispering, but I really hope you guys enjoyed today's lazy vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Become a part of the Rain fam. So this is the start of my vlog. First of all, I look so crazy, but I just filmed a few videos. That's why my face is so red, because I scrubbed the makeup off. But my mom just called me and she's like, a client at work gave me Josh Turner tickets in Ocean City tonight. Want to go? And I was like, sure. So I'm gonna go shower and go get ready, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna vlog tonight since I am going to a concert, and that's pretty exciting. So I'm gonna vlog tonight. Alrighty guys, so I just got ready. It isn't that great, but we're gonna head out and we're gonna go, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my OOTD. Really close, but I'm wearing these leggings, which I love. They're like crisscross. They're from Charlotte Russe. I'm wearing some Birkenstocks. I'm wearing this bag. Then I'm wearing this top, this like hoodie. And I'm wearing some earrings. My hair's curled. My makeup. And this is what I am wearing. Makeup looks like this.
Better than that. Welcome to the Ocean City Convention Center. How's everybody doing? Awesome. Coldest time of winter, I shiver when I see the falling snow. We make it through December, in California. If we make it through December, we'll be fine. We spent talking out, little kisses, never last time in love. Gotta run, but that ain't longer. But I got someone who has gone crazy. So baby, why don't we just dance? This little bit of living room ain't gonna look like much. Oh, my two left feet, my two hearts beating nobody. Let me have a feel, ladies. Ain't nobody. You, we're alone. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you wonder.
I've been moving calm, no start, no trouble on me. Tryna keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me.